about you?
Yeah. I wanted to be visible for guys, actually.
For guys?
Yes. I can 10.
Oh, okay.
Yes, says. It will be. She's still turning. She's still turning.
Yes, he's my beat. I'm like, I'm not gonna say a word. Again, who's that?
She has a bigger booty in front. What's up? Today we're reacting to we interviewed the worst girls in South Africa.
Yeah, the Stingy boys. Kupo, umzukulu Nkosi yami.
Do you know what a BBL is?
Yes. Yeah.
What does BBL stand for?
No, BBL, LP.
BBL.
Yeah, beauty, whatever. Changing yourself, something like that.
You guys know what a BBL is?
Yeah.
I'm proud of these girls for not knowing what BBL stands for.
What yeah, BBL.
You don't know that?
What is that? No. What is that? Chat website? What is it? Social media? What is it?
That thing they do, shifting the fat from wherever you want to shift, maybe from the belly to the hip, wherever you want to just adjust. Like, yeah.
What?
I think a better question is, why the fuck are you asking girls this question?
I'm just proud of my sisters that they don't know what the BBL is. Like, don't take American culture and bring it and try and apply it here, because no, even the guy asking these questions. Why do you
grade you think your booty is in?
Maybe a C.
Just do a spin. Just do a quick 360 for us.
That's coercion.
Yeah, I think it's F.
F. You wanna get a BBL?
No, I'm perfectly fine. Big booty smells.
I said I love my sisters for their honesty and
but just generally speaking,
just for this.
So I'm fine.
Yeah, I think it's small for the size that I want.
Really? You want like a bigger size?
Unezinto ezingaka. But I know it's ilezi esikhulu esiphubile. Lezi eside. Sizakwazi ukusibamba kanje. Ilezi eside.
No, but like, come on, ufuna ibekana lento.
Yes.
So are you gonna get a BBL?
If I have money, most definitely.
Do you know that you have a lot of cake? You don't know? Okay, cool. Close your eyes. No, close your eyes and turn around. Exactly.
Here's the booty is big, ne? 1 minute.
She has a very nice body.
Yeah.
I'll give her credit for that one. She has a very nice body.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. I would kill to have a body like that.
What?
Hey. I'm joking. It's a joke.
You walking like just to get there. They sweat already. So I'm kidding, guys.
B grade.
Something like that.
Really?
Yeah.
Damn. Yeah. That's crazy. I wanna rate it, right?
Okay.
So I think I would give you, just do one more spin for me. Damn, that's crazy, Lorato.
Yeah, that brother's starving.
Give it A, then I'll put the plus. I think it's an A plus. Honestly. Are you taken or single by any chance?
Single.
Why are you single? I'm not surprised because your name is Lorato, so. Maybe you are toxic.
I am.
You are toxic.
Yeah.
I can see with the double piercing on your nose. She's a toxic. What happened to your previous relationship? Okay, cool. I like your physique. I can say a lot about Zulu girls. Are you Zulu, right?
Yeah, I'm Zulu, 100%.
Yeah. I can see. Just give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me 360. See? That says a lot about you. For sure, you're a Zulu girl.
Yeah, I am.
So I wanna know, right? Would you guys consider getting like a BBL?
I'd love to have a body. Yeah, I would.
You don't think like what you have is enough?
It's not. Definitely not.
So how do you want it? Can you just describe?
Mantombazane deactivate on Instagram.
Because she's fine, man. She's fine. Like, she's very fine. Like, what's going on?
No, cutting edge, send more la.
Try for us.
How I want it. Well,
From what you have.
how would I want it?
Yeah.
Well, not too big, but ibonakale.
Okay.
Not that they are much ibonakale, but I know I can do better.
You think so?
Yeah, I know I can do.
I think she's worried about the wrong things, eh?
Ngiyazizwa ufuna ukuyaphi phasi. Engizibambile.
She's worried about the wrong things. Like,
Yabona uma ungaqala ngama proportions, then you'll know where to go. Qala ngama proportions.
she's worried about the wrong things. Okuningi kuzophuma.
Ungawari noma uma ungahleli into zakho uyihlele nje. Uzoba great.
Ngoba yazi noma thu ubuild muscle. Kumele ube mass master. Kufanele kube moqeda
Ungabe
ukhatha.
big show ukhatha.
Ukhatha.
Lean.
Listen, let me see.
I know I can't do that.
Don't tell me you stepped the guy. What happened?
No, I didn't. Just it was too much.
That's too much.
Yeah, it's like we're forcing things because like we're friends. Then start dating, things didn't go right.
Yeah. So would you consider getting a BBL?
Nah.
You don't want it, right? You like the way it is, natural.
Yes.
Yeah. I would advise you not to get it too.
Yeah.
Would advise other people to get it?
Because
No.
you're fucking advice matters. What the fuck?
His delivery is whack.
Because your fucking advice matters.
Delivery yake nonsense.
Nah, guys, you guys are Africans. We like it all natural. What about you?
Yeah. I wanted to be visible for guys, actually.
For guys,
Yes.
we like it all natural. What about you?
Yeah. I wanted to be visible for guys, actually.
For guys.
Yes. I can 10.
Oh, okay.
Yes, says. It will She's still turning. She's still turning.
Yes, he's bumpy. I'm like, I'm not gonna say a word. Again, who's that?
She has a bigger booty in front. Why fuck? She offered to turn. Jesus. Okay. Like you have bigger problems. Like
As I've said, say like into zakho uhleleke.
Like focus.
Come
like,
on.
No, man.
Trim, snip.
You're worried about the wrong things. Like you're worried about the wrong things.
And another thing is like, again, I mean, let's be honest.
That's true.
And abafana basazonishela noma ngabhanga neshopha zenu.
Like no matter that's
Kuyafana.
what I want to say, because no matter how you look, guys will still approach you.
So angazi
Like you can be the loneliest clerk in the mail room. Doesn't matter.
Take a
Guys-
note from Amajita. There's a very small percentage of Amajita chimayo, or who even care about their bodies. Very small percentage. Very
Yeah.
small.
Yeah.
So kuyafana.
All I'm saying is that people need to appreciate what they have. If you don't like what you have and you feel like you can improve, then go improve it.
And wazi ukuthi improve noma nemani ubuka ama videos
Ungavele uvune izinqe enkulu. Like what
solve
what's
lokho
that
ufana
gonna-
ukusolve
yeah,
kuqala.
like okunye kuzophuma.
I can 10.
Oh, okay. Okay. So why want it to be visible for guys? Do you love guys?
Yes.
Graphic design. Ozan. Graphic design. What the fuck? Boyz.com.
It's a program.
Let's work.
It's a program.
I don't know what, but this work.
I do.
Do you have a boyfriend now?
Yes.
Really? So are you considering getting like a second boyfriend?
What
Maybe
the fuck?
second boyfriend, but not that boyfriend.
So they won't know. The other one won't know that you are
You
actually.
won't. I know how to play me hard.
Usafuna ukuba nama-option.
Ufuna ukuthola i-BBL khona izopanjiswa ngapha nangapha futhi.
Brothers and sisters, we have a problem. She's worried about the wrong things.
So sad.
Usafuna ukuya le nale.
Yeah.
Damn. So how you gonna make sure that he doesn't find out?
I know. I'll find my ways.
Have you done this before?
Yes, but once.
How did you request for intercourse? Yeah.
I don't know how you do that. I've never requested for it. I haven't reached that stage.
They're always asking you about those things.
Yeah, but I'm virgin, so I won't.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I'm a virgin.
I feel like you're capping.
No, I'm not. She can tell you.
Really? So are you in a
Ngiyahlolwa, ngiphume emakhaya nje.
So are you in a relationship?
Nah.
Are you ready to be taken?
Am I ready to be taken?
Yeah.
Nah.
Why?
I don't know.
This is why.
I just don't like men in general.
Would you consider getting a BBL?
No. Why would I do that? No.
You wouldn't.
Yeah, no. But I don't judge those who does BBL, but I don't think that.
Just look at the camera
Okay.
and just do a 360 for us. I will just be out. It's like a
Why?
picture. It's like a picture.
Mara, why?
No, just
I don't
do
want to
it.
show my bums.
Okay, she doesn't want to show her man.
I don't want to show my bums. I'll just be like,
Okay, you told her to be honest. So what about you?
What about me?
Yeah.
What about me?
So would you consider getting like a second
A
boyfriend?
second boyfriend? No.
Fellas, this is how these girls be doing you guys. You think you're the only one, but then she's having a second guy, third guy. Why many boyfriends? Why can't you just have one person?
Okay, like I can't have one person, ne? But then if I feel like I can.
Oh, I thought you said.
No, I can. But then if I feel like maybe ngifuna ukutrya omunye, maybe ngesikhathi, and if ngifila ngathi sengibhorekile.
You wanna try?
Mm.
That's crazy.
What the hell is there not to get bored by if you're a guy and with her?
I was trying to be polite, but
She doesn't strike me as
I'm
the person who gets in a room and
I'm about to say fuck it.
charisma is oozing.
Ungibhorekile, ubhora ilibuko, ukhumula ibuko. Dude. Ubona amasimba nje ile nto ifakile.
Are you also like trying out?
Trying out what?
Are you also like open to trying? Yeah.
It depends. I mean, this all has to do with distance, availability, all those things. So obviously, if you start lacking in those things, I'm gonna look for other options.
How do I lack in distance?
Where's your boyfriend? Devin. So she's definitely gonna be looking for a second boyfriend. I promise you, bro. Move on, man.
Yiphi intsango? Usebenzisa ima-extend
Things, I'm gonna look for other options.
Where's your boyfriend? Devin. So she's definitely gonna be looking for a second boyfriend. I promise you, bro. Move on, man.
Focus on you, King. She's gone.
Apparently, you like Nigerian guys.
Yeah, maybe. Kind of, yeah.
Most-
Nigerians are cool.
What about you?
Especially those who are staying at rest, students.
Yeah.
Yeah, they love Nigerians because Nigerians have a lot of money,
Yeah.
Of course.
You also love money.
No, I do love money, but I don't like Nigerians.
No, maybe you shouldn't put it like that. But anyways, shout out to my brothers from Nigeria. I love you guys. Which country do you guys find their men attractive? You guys are South African, obviously. So I'm not expecting you guys to say South African men are attractive. Yeah, in Africa.
In Africa?
Nigerian men. Yeah, Nigerian men, yes.
Nigeria.
Ask them to name 3 African countries.
Just for control.
Ask them to name 3 African countries.
Konting funa ukuyibona.
A1.
Konting
Besides
funa
Nigeria
ukuyibona.
and Zimbabwe. Just 3.
Konting funa ukuyibona.
3.
Yeah.
So shout out to my brothers from Nigeria. Zulu girls, they find you guys attractive. What about you?
I am not sure because
No, think about it, Bamgan. Think about it. It's Nigerian.
So this is part of my research. I want to know if you guys would consider getting a BBL.
Definitely, I would. I would love to get one.
BBL.
Yeah.
What about you?
Also me.
Yeah.
Don't you find it weird that the fitter girls that don't have ass but they are fit, they don't want that shit?
Yeah.
And then the girls that need to tone down on namakuya, nama donuts,
Yeah.
they're the ones who want a bigger ass. Like, ass is not gonna save you. Ass is not gonna save you. It's not. It's really not.
I mean, you surgery BBL. Konting ufuna ukuyibona.
Angiyazi nento engiyenzayo. Umushawa yi-stroke.
Ngena lapha ngilayita ama-grinder, ngikhipha ama-drilling, ngiphethe amasaha, will make it happen. Wawari kodwa wena.
Why? Maybe we told him.
Why? So you don't think what you have is enough?
I wanna shape, but I'm lazy to exercise. That's the thing.
Are you getting it for yourself?
Yeah, for
Maybe
me, it's for
someone.
No, for me, like.
So you're not for guys.
No, not for guys.
Are you sure?
But no, not for guys. But
Can you do a 360 for us? Can you just do a 360 for us?
Why?
No, it's just part of what we're doing. So I think it's the way it is naturally.
Yeah,
just put it in work. I don't think you should get a BBL personally.
Why?
No, you just have to go to the gym.
No, I'm lazy.
You're lazy to go to the gym.
Yeah, and it's very painful.
Would you consider a natural BBL?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you know what's a natural BBL?
You can just. Is it that normal BBL? Should just like taking my fat and moving.
No, that's not natural. That's more. We have to do like a surgeon to actually get that done. You understand? So, what about you guys? You consider natural? I'll explain what's a natural BBL.
Yeah, natural.
Explain first.
I think something natural is much better.
It's much better. You know, a natural one is like, you obviously you have to do some exercises, right?
No, I'm out.
I'm
in. Exercise.
Then the second option from natural is actually being with a guy. That's a natural. Yeah.
Being with the guy how?
Are you guys single or taken?
Taken. No, I'm not really like.
You single?
Yeah.
Well, she's confused.
Yeah, I'm single.
If I heard it properly, she's single. She's probably having a situationship here and there. So you guys know what a BBL is?
Yes.
BBL. Yeah, BBL.
BBL. No. You don't know.
Tombazane shuqulile baleka. These are not your friends. These are not your friends. These are not your friends. And phume emakhaya afanayo. Okay, yabona into ayindawo. Sengakutshela ke njengoba bakho. Ayindawo.
What is it? What is that? Change website? What is it? Social media? What is it?
It's like a fake ass.
Fake.
Yeah.
Wow.
So.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. So I wanted to know, guys, would you guys recommend the other ladies to get BBL?
If you see a need, you can do it. I think it's something that boosts your self-esteem, your confidence, and all stuff. If you
I love this shit. Every time a girl talks about something, it has to do with self-esteem. It's like it can go zero at any given time. This shit is hilarious. All the time. Self-esteem, self-confidence. I
think it's because deep down we all know where we lack. And
no, but the point that I'm making
with girls, what they are worried about things that people.
We all know where we lack. But the problem is girls don't want to accept that this is what I lack.
Yeah.
That's the problem.
And they're liking things that you can change, eh?
You feel the need to do it.
You can do it. Have the money, yeah.
What about you?
Why not?
Why not?
You want a BBL?
No.
You don't want a BBL?
Nah.
What about you guys? You consider getting a BBL?
Maybe someday.
Okay, the other twin is considering getting a BBL.
She's gonna say, no, if I have the money and the means to do it, why not? Why not?
Kalala. Work on that. See if you work on that.
To improve yourself. Come on, guys. Anything.
Born like this.
So, and now you were born like this, but you do it. Oh, the earrings. You're not born with earrings.
Oh, but
No, come on, guys.
Did you just compare an accessory to a surgical procedure?
You do all this stuff to enhance your beauty, so why not?
What was the use of this clip?
Yeah, she's fine. Yeah, he just wanted to zoom. He just wanted to be a little pervert. Yeah, we interviewed the worst girls in South Africa. That's actually a good video, I won't lie.
Yeah, and the title is, it's very fitting.
I don't know about the worst girls.
Maybe not 100% accurate, but it's fitting.
I don't know about the worst girls. I don't know what that means. No. If you ask someone a yes or no question and they give you, it's not the worst. I wouldn't say the worst.
I need to write. I need to write a
clickbait
book.
label.
Yeah. I need to write a book that's gonna cater to women, and it's gonna be titled "Self-Esteem."
Chapter 1.
Book 1. Don't even chapter. Book 1. And that's your fan. You're my name, Tom McPayla. Of all the girls with the nice bodies,
Don't.
in his page, he's gonna be like,
So
"This
wait.
don't you, huh?"
He's not gonna ask them for the social media handles.
No, he's not.
Then that's fucking unfair.
To whom?
Yeah, to them. They participated.
Oh.
She's fine though.
Yeah.
Yeah. That was the end of it. Like, subscribe, and comment.
Suggest any other videos you'd like us to react to and stuff.
Hey.
Tell a friend, share the link.
Gang.
Gang whoopee. I am not gang. I do not gang bang. Wethatha lento bayifake ku character witness eqaleni kodwa ngicabangi nani.
Dude, I wanna end the video with an image.
Gang yamasimba. Banidabuleke impaba la emgwaqweni no gang.
Watch this.
One of the white girls is say Valentine.